Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, north central Ford County in east central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sonneman, or 9 miles southeast of Dwight, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Largest hail is expected over western Kankakee and southern Will counties. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Never heard that before.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Limestone, Cullum, Cabaret, Shanahan, Kempton, Odell, Dwight, Elwood, Wilmington, Barnfield, Union Hill, Campus, Coal City, Mantino, Simonton, Lakewood Shores, Aroma Park, Godley, University Park, Gardner, Manhattan, Buckingham, Crete, and Bradley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, northeastern, and east central Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for northeastern
So I don't know why, but
Livingston,
like
southwestern Will,
this-
eastern Grundy, and
this radio
northwestern
here just been
Kankakee
causing
counties.
static.
At 7:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located